Hi guys, what's going on? Hoping you're doing fine. Welcome to Ann Kiki's channel. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Ann Kiki. Please make sure you subscribe. So today, I'm gonna be your guide to freelancing, and I'm gonna be telling you step by step how to maximize profits, and you can definitely be earning from freelancing. Are you guys ready? So in this digital world, most people have resorted to doing freelance work, and the reason why we love freelancing so much is because you can work on your own terms. So it gives you flexibility in terms of working, and also you are the determinant of how much profit you make. So when it comes to freelancing, your efforts are going to be everything, and also the strategies that you use. You can make so much money with freelancing. I've seen people buying cars, homes, houses with freelancing. So if you take advantage of maximizing your profits, then definitely you are going to make so much money. In this video, I'm gonna give you the step-by-step guide, and you guys better like this video. Step number one, you need to identify a specific niche. When it comes to freelancing, niche is everything. Research on a specific niche and make sure you stick to that niche. The reason we do that is because once you have a specific niche, it becomes easy even for brands to contact you. Brands are going to reach you because they know this is your specialization, this is what you do. So don't be doing everything. You cannot be jack of all trades in freelancing. You need to have something that you usually do, and then it is important because you will be researching on it and you're going to master it because you'll have a lot of knowledge on it. So specify your niche and stick to it. Second step is to showcase your portfolio. What do I mean? Build it, and also make sure you have a lot of things that are going to show what you do. Showcase your work. Use variety of samples. Make sure you show people your expertise, and also make sure that people can clearly understand what you do, so that when they come to your portfolio, they can clearly see what specific thing that you're doing. Step number 3 is to set rates. Definitely you don't want to set very low rates or very high rates. So make sure you research on it. Also check what other people are rating, and also make sure you give value to your rates. Don't just rate a very high thing and then you don't give value to people don't get value for their money. So as you set rates and your charges, make sure you can actually give quality. The reason we don't charge very low is because if someone wants to work with you and they see a very low rate, they definitely will know you're a beginner, you've not done this for so long, so they will not want to work with a beginner. So make sure you set rates that are in the market, that other people are also charging. So it's very important, by the way, when it comes to setting rates, and don't be so high that nobody is going to afford you, you know. The next thing is to market yourself. You definitely need to have an online presence. Most of the time when it comes to freelancing, we market ourselves online because that's where most clients are. Of course, freelancing means working online, working all over the world. Definitely social media has made the world a very small village. So if you market yourself online, you're going to reach to so many people who are not necessarily in your country. The goal is to reach to millions of people. Now the next thing is to make sure you deliver high quality work. When you get your first ever job, make sure you do it to perfection. You guys, you need to have quality, because the first few clients will determine if you're going to succeed in this. So even before you can take work, make sure you can do it, make sure you can deliver. I always advise people to practice before even you get yourself out there. Practice and be committed. You know, most people fail because they think freelancing, it's my own job, I am my own employee and my own employer, and so I can do anything. You can easily fail if you don't deliver. So remember, this is like a company you're building. Make sure you do the best, especially during your first days. These are going to determine if you're going to succeed in freelancing. So deliver high quality and make sure people get to come back, because quality ensures that customers will keep coming back for more products and for more of your services. So deliver high quality work. That connects me to this new point where I'm gonna say build strong relationships that are going to last. And how you build relationships is through clients. Now, if you deliver high quality, your clients will keep coming back. Make sure you get your clients and hold them. Don't release. So build very strong relationships. That means that client will be coming back to you, and it also means he or she will refer more clients to you. So build relationships that are going to last by ensuring you give them all the best services. Whenever they tell you to do anything, just do it. It's all about making your client happy, by the way. And also keep requesting feedback from those clients. Ask them what made them happy, ask them what they love, what they think about your job, what you should improve. They will know that you're actually acknowledging that you may have made mistakes and you're not perfect. And people love it when other people acknowledge their mistakes. So keep on engaging your client, and once you're done with the work, ask them for feedback to know where to improve, and also to let them know that you are accepting you're not a perfect person. Now, something else I'm gonna say, if you want to become a freelancer, you also need to diversify your streams of income. Don't rely on just one main stream of income. Have other streams of income. There's so many ways you can make money online. For example, you could have ebooks. So as you make money with whatever you decide as your freelancing platform, also make money with ebooks. Ebooks are just books that you do online and you post in any publishing website, and so that book is going to be paying you money in terms of how many people are reading that book. And the good thing with books, they don't expire. So when it comes to online jobs, I usually advise people a good side hustle to do is an ebook, and you can write about anything. You could also have online courses where you teach people any specific skills, and also there are websites out here that offer you that chance to teach people online skills. You can teach them foreign language, you can teach them how to play something, how to cook something, anything, just anything. Also, you can try another side hustle, maybe selling digital products. There are so many other things you can do. So diversify your streams of income. Don't just rely on one, so that you can be keeping yourself busy. Everyone needs a side hustle, including freelancers. So make sure you have at least one other side hustle that could be bringing you an extra income to your table. I hope you guys have gained a lot from this video. I would love to hear your feedback, you guys. Comment down below, tell me the kind of videos you would love me to do. Also, in case you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm gonna be replying to you guys, and definitely I might even do a video in case it needs a detailed feedback. Yeah, so thank you so much, and I hope you guys have liked this video. By the way, make sure you subscribe to my channel in case you're new to this channel, and also stick around because I'm gonna be bringing you guys lit and better content. See you guys in the next video. Until that time, bye bye.